Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to add some sparkles to a cake. You're going to need something to catch the crystals in. I'm using a large cake tin, but you could always use a roasting tin or a baking tray. And you want something to elevate the cake, such as an upturned bowl. Here I've got a pre-covered 5-inch cake. I'll leave a tutorial for covering a cake above. Add some piping gel to a bowl. You'll notice it's quite thick, so we're going to zap it in the microwave for a few seconds. Now it's much more spreadable. Paint it all over your cake with a brush. For the sparkles, we are using Wilton sparkling sugar. You'll notice the tub is not quite full, so we can gauge how much we've used. They are hard little nuggets of sparkly sugar. To apply it to the cake, I tip a little out onto my finger and gently press and ease them onto the cake as I go down. I'm just letting them drop and then slightly pushing them. Go all around the cake until there's none left in the tub. Once you've run out, you can scoop some from the tray and run it up the sides. Your hands can get quite sticky with that piping gel, but we're almost done. Now that it's covered, you'll need to clean the underneath of the cake from any sticky crystals so it sits flat. Remove the cake and bowl and scoop your remaining crystals back into the tub. Just over halfway full from covering a 5-inch cake. This tub I have is 226 grams. To minimise any loose crystals dropping off, you can give it a spritz with PME glaze spray to hold them together. All done, one sparkly, edible, shimmery cake. It looks great for wintry cakes too. I'll leave links below to get your own. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it comes in handy for you. See you in the next one, bye!